I welcome you all to this next session of data structure and algorithm. Today we are going to discuss regarding the applications of the AVL tree and red black tree. Let others to join. We shall start with the session in no time. Let me share the screen with you. Please mark your attendance at the chat box. We shall start within 2 minutes. Let all to join. I wish to provide some instruction with respect to the today's concurrent evaluation number one of the data structure and algorithm. That's why we will wait for 2 minutes for all to join so that I will need not to repeat that all instructions again and again. Let me share the screen of red black tree with you. Please mark your attendance. We shall start with the session. Before the starting of the session, let me share some of the important instruction with respect to the concurrent evaluation of today's data structure and algorithm. As I have been shared with you that the type syllabus for this first concurrent evaluation shall be up to the binary tree. Shall be up to the binary tree means up to the binary search tree will be asked up to so there will be the some questions from chapter 1 to 4 that will be on the linked list algorithm, single linked list, double linked list, then what do you mean by the algorithm like, and then finding some complexity in order, pre-order and post-order traversal MCQs will be there using stack and queues, and then there will be the some tree questions will be there. Like that, up to that means BS AVL and red black tree will not be there for our today's examination. That is our syllabus for that today's examination. Number one. Number two, that examination link shall be provided to you using Google Classroom material, Google Classroom material, I repeat, of the data structure and algorithm topic by the 2:55 p.m. today. By the 2:55 p.m. today. Okay. In that link, there will be the passcode of the Testmos portal and link to open the test using Testmos portal. Link to using which you can open the portal for your today's MCQ examination of data structure and algorithm. When the link will be open, you have to go to the student part. You're not at the administrator part. You have to go to the student part and you have to enter your first name and last name without fail, followed by your roll number. Like suppose Mahesh Kulkarni, that is first name and last name followed by roll number, like suppose the 27. Like Mahesh Kulkarni space 27. Mahesh space Kulkarni space 27. That you have to enter at the enter your name, first name and last name. At the enter the passcode, the particular passcode which is being shared with you through the Google Classroom announcement and Google Classroom material, that passcode you have to give. That passcode, remember, it is a case sensitive password. If it is in a uppercase, you have to enter using uppercase only, and if it is in a lowercase, you have to enter using lowercase only. Okay, that is a case sensitivity. जो भी पासकोड आपको दिया जाएगा आपके मटेरियल के थ्रू बाय द 2:55 PM टुडे इन द गूगल क्लासरूम, यू हैव टू एंटर दैट. ओके, that is the Google Classroom password, Google Classroom initiative for you. Using that passcode, you can start with your exam. As and when you will start your exam, your countdown will begin. Your countdown of 1 hour will begin. Okay, the exam shall last up to the 4 p.m. But the entry shall be restricted by the 3:30. Okay, after 3:30, no one will be allowed to log in to the exam. You have to log in before 3:30 only. Before 3:30 only, you have to log in, and you have to comply the exam. You have to comply the exam within next 1 hour. That is up to 3, from 3 to 4 p.m. 4 p.m. के बाद आपकी एग्जाम ऑटोमेटिकली डीएक्टिवेट हो जाएगी. That's why please be take care that you are attempting all your questions before 3 p.m. Sorry, 4 p.m. and you are submitting your exam. Okay, you are allowed to appear only once. You are allowed to appear only once. There will be no second chance available for you. So please take care that you are following all the instructions. In case of any type of problem, do call me. Okay, you can directly have a talk with me. Okay, do not post anything on anywhere that such and such things are happening or you are not able to log in, etc., etc., because that will, because as a faculty we might not have the always access to the WhatsApp. It is better to have a direct talk with the subject faculty and get it done. Okay, अगर आपको कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है तो आप वहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट फैकल्टी के साथ डायरेक्टली बात करके आपका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करवा लीजिए. ओके, डू नॉट लिंगर विद द प्रॉब्लम because that will harm to you only, and you will lose your precious time. आपका 1 hours में से 1 minute कम होता जाएगा. That's why it is better to have a direct call and talk with the subject faculty. Remember, Tesmos is a very simple interface. It is not a somewhat tedious. You might be appearing for the first time using Tesmos, but be sure that it is very user friendly and good. Even you can appear using your mobiles also. Okay, आपके मोबाइल के थ्रू भी आप appear हो सकते हैं, but for the sake of simplicity I will recommend to use the desktop. I will recommend to use the desktop or laptop for that purpose. Okay, this is something more important instruction with respect to the today's concurrent evaluation of data structure and algorithm. I hope all of you have understood. Wish you all the best for your first evaluation at the DMI level, at your PG level. That is one point. Second point, those who are my under the guideship of me for the mini project, do submit on time whatever the submission schedule is there. Okay, please follow that schedule and submit whatever is remained. That might be the ERD, that might be the table structure or EML diagram or system design, whatever it is. Do submit time to time. Do not violate that schedule. Okay, that's why it is very important, because you are going to have your practical and mini project examination. Remember, before your university examination that are going to be held in the end of May, means your practical and mini project examination shall start by the 10th or 15th of May. Okay, so please be prepared accordingly. So wish you all the best for your today's examination. Now we will start with our session of the DSA. Okay, please mark your attendance. Okay, currently we are discussing the binary search tree. Two special types we are discussing. In the last session, we have discussed the AVL, that is the balance factor or height balance tree, that is the AVL tree. Today, we are going to discuss the red black tree. Now, what do you mean by the red black tree? Red black tree, it is nothing but the one type of binary search tree only, wherein there is one more extra attribute for the each node, that is the color of that node, which is either red or black, which is either red or black, depending on some of the parameter attached to that particular node. Okay, which are that parameter? The parameters like binary search tree, these are the some of the parameter. The binary search tree with the two kinds of links, red and black, satisfy the following properties. Every path from the leaf has the same number of black links. अगर आप किसी नोड को जा रहे, किसी रूट से किसी नोड को जा रहे, then it will have the same number of black links. Okay, every path from the root to leaf has the same number of black links. And second property is that no path from the root to leaf, no path from the root to leaf has two or more consecutive red links. Okay, consecutively दो से ज्यादा red links, red color के node नहीं होंगे. Okay, that is the binary search tree with the red black property. Definition of red black tree is like that: the binary, it's a BST tree which is satisfying the following property: the every node is either red or black. It has to be either red or black. We will see when to give it the red color or when to give it the black color. And second property, that the every leaf is black. Okay, जो भी आपके leaf node होंगे वो black होंगे, whatever might be the level, but the leaf should always be the black. And third, if a node one node I is red, then the both of its children should be black. अगर parent red है तो उसके children black होने चाहिए. Okay, that is the definition or parameter with respect to the red black tree. These are the definition or parameter with respect to the red black tree. That is a very simple. Please be on the time. Those who are latecomers, please follow the timings. Mark your attendance. Okay. Now we will see the one more. That is very simple. Every simple path from node to descendant leaf contain the same number of black nodes. It implies that the only any path from root to leaf, red nodes must not be the adjacent. Okay. यानी कि वहां पे root node one by one आने, एक के बाद एक नहीं आने चाहिए. However, any number of black nodes may appear in a sequence. Okay, we will see the example. That's a leaf node. Okay, यहाँ पे leaf node कौन से? The every leaf null is a black. Every node is either red or black. Yes, every node is either red or black. Then every leaf is a black. Every leaf is a black. यानी कि आने वाला black होगा, इसके आगे जो आने वाले हैं यहाँ पे या यहाँ पे they will be the black. And there should not be any consecutive. Okay, no path. There should not be any consecutive red nodes. Okay, adjacent नहीं होने चाहिए. These are the basic red black tree for you. The number of black nodes on any path from but not including node X is called the black height of the node, denoted by BH of the X. Okay, a red black tree with the n internal node and the height at the most 2 log n plus 1. The demonstrate. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Okay, this is the something basic with respect to the basic operation on the red black trees, including following that the construct define if empty. How to construct the red black tree? First, you have to construct if empty, then search and travel as far for the BST, then insert a new item in the red black tree to maintain the property of the red black, and delete item using maintaining the property of the red black trees. Okay, now how the rotation can be, how the rotation can be done. The rotation can be done using the local rotations like this, right rotations and left rotations. Okay, a rotation is a local operation in a search tree that preserves in order traversal T ordering. Note that the both trees in order traversal yields a x y a x b y c. Okay, that will be the outcome. That's how we can have the initially tree is empty, then 5 is inserted. 5 being the leaf node, it should be the black. Okay, being the leaf node, it should be the black. Then after insertion of 5, there will be the 4. उसका जो भी child है, black का child जो भी red आने वाला है, that's why. And being 4 is less than 5, it will be on the left side of the 5. Then 7 being it is again on left right side on the 5 because it is greater than 5. Always remember BST के ये दोनों special format है, AVL tree and red black tree. Okay, that's why it is essential to remember that it will follow the BST, that is binary search tree property by default, that the left subtree is a less and right subtree is higher. Okay, please mark your attendance. Okay, then inserting 8. Okay, inserting 8. See, 5 is greater than 8 is greater than 5, go to the 7. Then 7 is greater than 8, go to the left right side of the 7. But simultaneously you have to change the color of 7. Change the color of 7. As like यहाँ पे जो red है, now it will become black because every parent should be black. Every parent should be black. That's why it will be the black. Then insert 12. Insert 12 means you have to rotate the things. जैसे आपको यहाँ पे 12 8 की जगह पे आएगा, यहाँ नाउ दिस इज अ ट्री अवेलेबल विथ यू. ओके, अभी अभी आपने जो ट्री तैयार किया है वो ट्री, ये ट्री है. एंड इंसर्टिंग 12. 12 is greater than 5, go to the right side. 7. 12 is greater than 7, go to the right side. जैसे आप राइट को जाएंगे 8 is also greater, 12 is also greater than the 8. So you have to rotate the things and you have to make that 8 two simultaneous rotations are traversing are there. That's why you have to make that 8 as a part of 7. You have to replace 7 by the 8 and you have to add new left node of that 8, and 7 will be placed here and 12 will be placed to the right of the 8, to the right of the 8. Okay, that is how you can insert the 12. Then inserting 6, it is very simple. See again here that the our no consecutive node should be the red one. Okay, we are following that no consecutive red are there. That is one of the property we have discussed, that the no consecutive should be the red. That is the property with you, that no consecutive, two or more consecutive red links. Okay, that's why we have make that 8 from black to red. Okay, so that 6 we can place as a red one. Okay, then inserting 9, you can have the insertion of the 9 at the left side of the 12 because it is less than 12. Go like checking can be done that the 9 is greater than 5, go to the right of the 5. Then 8 is greater than 5, go to the right of the 8. Then 12 is less than 9, so go to the left of the 12 and place the 9 or insert the 9. Okay, you can write the algorithms for such a purpose also, that how to insert the particularly the red black. I am going to share some of the YouTube videos of the AVL and red black trees so that you will better understood the working of these trees. Okay, that is something with respect to the insertion. Then how to insert the last operation, that is a 10. Again here there is a rotation. See, you are rotating the things, you are rotating 12 to the right of the 12. This is 12 and you are rotating to its right to 12 and placing 10 at the native point of the 12, at the native point of the 12, native node of the 10, so that it will be the singular one or it will be the red black tree. Now this is a final tree. You can see every, there is no consecutive red, and this total tree is following the red black property. This total tree is following the red black property. This is with respect to the how to insert that node at any red black tree. Now we will see how to remove it. Okay, sorry, wait a minute. Okay, so how to remove it, we can see. Okay, consider the following tree and remove the 60, 65, 25 and 50. Suppose this is a tree given, then how to delete the 60. Okay, now 60 is where, here it is a 60 node. Okay, then while deleting 60, you are bringing 55 to its left. Okay, अगर कोई आप नोड डिलीट करे उसका लेफ्ट वहां पे अवेलेबल है तो डायरेक्टली आप यहाँ पे उसको लेफ्ट को ला सकते हैं, इसलिए कि यहाँ पे हमने 60 की जगह पे 55 को ला के रखा है. प्लीज म्यूट योर सेल. थैंक यू. सो दैट्स, अगर लेफ्ट अवेलेबल है तो उसके जगह पे, रूट की जगह पे आपको लेफ्ट को ला के रखना है. एंड एज गुड एज इट इज अ डिलीशन ऑफ दैट नोड 60. नाउ सी द 65. where is the 65? Here it is a 65. Okay, but 65 has the one mode, that is the 65 has the node like the 55, but 50 left is there, but left has one more node of the 62, which is greater than 55. That's why placing that 62 directly to the 65 is better. Okay, इसलिए हमने 62 को directly 65 की जगह पे लाके रखा. That is a deletion of 65 for you. Okay, that is something with respect to the deletion. See, this is a deletion of 25, node number 25. अगर आपने यहाँ पे दिया देखा तो node number 25 is like this. Now delete किया तो वहाँ पे आपको directly 15 को लाके रखा. 15 is on the left, C left of the 25. आपने वहाँ पे directly वहाँ पे लाके रखा so that it will be like a deletion of the 25. It is very यानी कि simple आपको बात क्या रखनी याद रखनी red black tree में अगर आपको कोई भी नोट डिलीट करना है उसके लेफ्ट को जाना है, लेफ्ट के अगर कोई भी चाइल्ड नहीं है, लेफ्ट या राइट कोई भी चाइल्ड नहीं है तो डायरेक्टली उसको रिप्लेस करना है. नंबर वन केस. नंबर टू केस, अगर लेफ्ट या राइट का कोई भी चाइल्ड है दैट माइट बी लेफ्ट और राइट साइड, then accordingly you have to travel further till the leaf of that subtree, till the leaf of that subtree. Okay. Mitesh, why you are joining using two devices? Please. Mitesh, why you are joining using two devices? Please log out from the one device. That's how you can delete the 25. Then deleting. Mitesh, please log out from the one device. I hope the screen is visible to you. Okay, that's how you can delete 50 also. Like here, where is the 50? Node number 50 is here, the root node itself. Okay, अगर आपको root ही वहाँ पे delete करना है, then how to proceed? You have to make another one node as a root, which is 35. They have been node. Okay, 35 को आपने किया है, then 35 is at the left, यानी कि उसके left को गए. जब तक left का आप travel back out नहीं कर रहे, तब तक आपको वहाँ पे लेफ्ट के राइट को आपको वहां पे रिप्लेस करना है. लेफ्ट के राइट को वहां पे आप रिप्लेस कर देंगे. ओके, दैट्स हाउ यू कैन प्रोसीड विद द इंसर्शन एंड डिलीशन ऑन द रेड ब्लैक. ओके, we are going to comply for today's session up to this point only, being today is your exam day. So I request you all, as I also shared some of the instruction with the exam also, that at the beginning that you are going to have the TESMOS based examination. That is one of the online test portal. You will be given a passcode for that purpose. You have to enter that passcode. That passcode is case sensitive. If it is in the upper, you have to enter it upper. You have to lower, like that, case sensitive. Then you have to, along with, enter your first name followed by last name followed by your roll number, like Mahesh Kulkarni 27 or whatever that is. Okay, that will be the entering number. That will be like identification used. You will be allowed to enter login only once, so please be careful while login. And your countdown shall begin immediately after login, that is of 1 hour. No one will be allowed to login after 3:30 onwards. Okay, if in case of any problem, you can directly call to me and have a talk and get your problem resolved. Okay, because that timer will be decreasing simultaneously and you will lose your time. So if in case of any problem, have a directly call to the subject faculty so that you will get clear of your doubts on live way. Okay. Secondly, all the passcode, all the credentials will be shared through the Google Classroom only. Okay, they will be not shared anywhere else, like on the WhatsApp group or anywhere else. Okay, you have to go to the Google Classroom. and see the data structure and algorithm topic, and there will be the one material available. In that material there will be the 2 points. One is a link for your online test using Testmost portal. You have to click on that link, then the new window will be open, and wherein you have to submit your passcode. You have to type your passcode, which is also available in that Google Classroom material only. उसी मटेरियल में आपको पासकोड भी मिलेगा. Okay, and all such that Google Classroom will be activated by the time of 2:55 p.m. You have to visit your Google Classroom by the 2:55 p.m. Okay, remember, exam is of the multiple choice question. As 25 multiple choice questions MCQs are there, you have to attempt them, like which one is the correct one, or true or false like questions are there. You have to attempt them, and at the last you have to click on the submit. At the last you have to click on the submit button. Unless until you are clicking on the submit button, irrespective of whatever, your attempt is not going to be recorded. Okay, अगर आपका attempt record करना है, then without fail you have to click on the submit button. You have to click on the submit button. Okay, and more importantly, you have to attempt all the questions. Okay, if you are keeping any question unattempted, then also your submit shall not be done. Your submit shall not be done. So please be prepared accordingly and do the things and prepared for your MCQ. Okay, remember your university exam is in the month of May end, and obviously it will be then having the MCQs also. Okay, please mute yourself. इसका unmute है. Thank you. Okay, with this I am going to conclude with your this session. Wish you all the best for your today's data structure and algorithm exam. The syllabus for that is up to the first 3-4 chapters, that is up to the binary and binary search tree. Remember, AVL and red black trees are not for the first concurrent evaluation. That is with respect to that. And those secondly, those who are for the mini project under my guideship, please submit as per schedule whatever the submissions are there. Okay, please submit at the Google Classroom, or you can mail me and WhatsApp me. Okay, rather you can mail me rather than WhatsApp the details up to this point. I am giving my mail ID at the chat box. That's mahesh.kulkarni@munjainstitute.com. Okay, you can get it written and submit your details on that mail ID without fail with respect to the mini project. Okay, I hope all of you mark your attendance. If you have not marked your attendance, please mark in next 1 minute so that I can conclude with the session. Wish you all the best for your today's exam. Hope you are enjoying your sessions and examination schedules, and simultaneously you are studying for your university exams also. Okay. Last Saturday we have discussed one of the idea technology solution. This Saturday also we are going to discuss one more technology solution, that is with respect to the mobile computing. Okay, or you can say the Android programming. Nowadays, I will just give you the situation. Nowadays, there are online education is going on, and many of you are having online education on the mobile through the app. Okay, many schools, colleges, even the universities have their own app, and they are imparting online lecture using that app only. Okay, so and many times students are doing like that. They are just muting that app and minimizing that app, and it is like a virtual attendance for that student. Okay, now our technology solution, how we can overcome this so that student will academically attend also. Okay, what kind of technology solution we can provide for such a situation, that's we have to discuss on Saturday for 10 minutes. Remember, I'm going to dedicate that particular open subject one session which is on Saturday for the data structure and algorithm. Okay, but simultaneously of that sessions 10 to 15 minutes, we are going to discuss one such idea every week, so that you will be ready for your aptitude exam also, which you are going to face at any of your IT company interview. Okay, hope you have entered your attendance at the chat box. Those who have not yet entered the attendance, please mark your attendance. अगर किसी ने यहाँ पे मार्क किया नहीं तो प्लीज मार्क कीजिए. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर examinations. Let me conclude the session. Have a great day ahead. Thank you all. Mitesh Deshmukh, why you enter with the one or two more than one devices? Your login?
No, sir.
Yes, at the waiting room we have seen thrice. Okay. 3 लॉगिन मुझे वहां पे आपके 3 डिवाइसेस दिख रहे थे वेटिंग रूम.
नहीं सर, मैं लेफ्ट हो जा रहा था सर सेशन में से.
ओके. अगर आपने से किसी ने अटेंडेंस मार्क नहीं किया, रिमेंबर योर अटेंडेंस इज बीइंग रिकॉर्डेड एंड इट इज बीइंग कम्युनिकेटेड टू योर पेरेंट आल्सो. So please take care with respect to your attendance and do not attend only virtually. Do attend academically also. Okay. Let me conclude the session. Thank you very much for your patience listening. Have a great day. I wish you all the best for your today's examination.